Hi everyone, welcome to Block 2. First, let's review what we learned in Block 1. Can you tell me the sound? Do you remember the sound you make for this letter? Did you say "ah"? Good job. How about this letter? "M". How about this letter? "S". Very good. Now what if we have two of this letter together? What sound will we make? S. So two of the letter S together, two S's together, it still makes the same sound as one S. 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 Very good. How about this letter? What sound would you make? T. Very good. And our last letter? P. Very good. So we have A, M, S, S, T, P. Excellent. Very good. Now we're going to combine all of these sounds with some new sounds that we're going to learn in Block 2. Now, let's read some of the words we made with the sounds we learned in Block 1. Can you read this word for me? Excellent. Did you say at? At. Very good. And now with this word family, at, we can make several words. Let's read the first one. At, mat. Very good. Sat, sat. At, pat. And at, cat. Excellent. So with at, we made the words mat, sat, pat, and tat. And if you notice, the only thing we change is that first sound. The at is in all these words. We change the first sound to make a new word. Very good. Now, how about this word? And it's also a word family. Am. Am. And let's change the first sound and make some new words. Am. So first of all, we have am, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. How about am, Sam? Very good. Am, Tam. And am, Pam. Very good. And if you notice, these two are capital. So when we're talking about a person and we're using someone's name, we make the first letter a capital letter. Tam can be a person's name, or it can be a pretend word, part of a syllable of a word. So let's read these one more time. Am, ma'am, Sam, Tam, and Pam. Very good. Now how about our app word family? App. Let's add a sound to the beginning of app. We'll change the sound and make some new words. So first of all, we have app, map, sap, sap, tap, and app, pap. So with app, we have map, sap, tap, and pap. Very good. Good job. Now let's go to our first sound that we're going to learn in Block 2, our first new sound. So here's a picture of a fan. Fan. What is that first sound you hear in fan? Did you say f? Very good. Good job. That's the first sound. F. And here's how we would write the f sound. Just like that, the letter F. F, f. Let's practice making this sound. We'll practice writing. And you say it at home. F, 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 f. Very good. So f is the first sound we hear in fan. Fan. Excellent. Let's go to our next sound. What is this a picture of? Very good. Lips. Lips. What is the first sound you hear in lips? Did you say L? Very good. You were right. Let's write this sound. This is how we would write L. The very first sound in lips. Let's practice this. L, 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 L. So L is the first sound in lips. Very good, and this is how we would write that L sound. Okay, let's go to our next sound. Our next sound is the first sound you hear in wagon. Wagon. What's that first sound? Very good. It's W. W. And here's how you write W. Looks like that. Let's practice. W. 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 Like in wagon. W. Very good. Now we have another sound. What is the first sound you hear in hand? Hand. Did you hear that sound? Very good. That's our first sound in hand. And we write the sound like this. Let's practice that. Very good. This is the sound that we hear in hand. Now we have one more sound for block 2, and that is the first sound you hear in igloo. Igloo. Did you hear the I sound? I. This is how we write that sound. I. Let's practice. I. 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 Very good. And this is how we write the sound I. Now if you notice, it's similar to our L sound, except you see this little part at the top, that little dot, and this one's shorter. So we have I, L. See how tall the L and no dot at the top. Okay, so we have I, like an igloo, L. L, like in lips. Okay, very good. That's all our new sounds.